Databox Marketing Analytics Pricing explained what you get for your money. Databox Marketing Analytics is built for teams that need to visualize, track, and act on marketing performance in real time. Many people assume Databox is just a dashboard tool, but the platform offers advanced reporting, goal tracking, and integrations that streamline marketing workflows. Pricing is flexible, based on the number of users and connected data sources. The platform connects to over 70 marketing and analytics tools, from crumbs to social media platforms, giving teams a consolidated view of performance metrics across all channels. With Databox, teams can create custom dashboards to monitor KPIs like lead generation, conversion rates, email open rates, and social engagement. For example, a digital marketing manager can instantly see which campaigns are driving the most qualified leads, enabling quick optimization decisions. Collaboration is simple. Teams can share dashboards, receive automated performance alerts, and align on campaign priorities without leaving the platform. Databox also provides mobile-friendly reporting, so stakeholders can access insights anywhere, anytime. In conclusion, Databox Marketing Analytics Pricing reflects the value of a platform that centralizes data, provides actionable insights, and keeps marketing teams aligned. For organizations focused on efficiency, performance, and data-driven decisions, this plan delivers powerful tools to maximize campaign effectiveness and ROI.